Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Jafego Okureko, popularly known as Fesky. Thanks for coming back to watch my videos. I appreciate it a great deal. Then if this is your first time of seeing my channel, you are most welcome. In this channel, I share valuable content about mini importation, how to make money online, and a lot of business ideas. So, in order for you not to miss out on any of these, click on the red subscribe button and then remember to turn on your notification bell icon so that you don't get to miss out in any of the valuable content I will be sharing. Alright, over to today's video. In today's video, let me quickly show you in few minutes how you can be able to download and install your 1688 app. Here is the app, okay? Let me show you how to download it. You go to your Chrome browser, you click on 1688. 1688, okay, there we go. Take note, you can't be able to download the 1688 app from your Play Store. It's not recognized, okay? You can only download it from the Chrome browser. So here we are. This is the part where you can download it from. Here. Okay? But if you click on it now, you can't be able to download it. You must open a product for you to be able to download it. So let's pick on a particular product and then we'll open. All right, here we are. So we'll click on this part, okay, to download it. It's loading. Then you get here. Okay, are you seeing it? It's exactly what you should see. And then you click on download. This is the download option. Okay. Click on download. So let's download it. This is what it will show you. It will pop this up. Okay, this type of file can harm your device. Do you want to keep Alibaba Android APK anyway? Click on yes. This won't harm your device. It's because it's not recognized, okay, in your Play Store. That's why it's showing this. So you click on OK. All right, and then you download. Once it's done downloading, you install. Okay, so once you're done downloading the app and installing it, this is how it will look like. All right. Thanks so much for watching this video to the very end. I appreciate it a great deal. Please remember to give it a thumbs up, click on the like button, and also remember to share. And if you haven't subscribed, please click on that red subscribe button so that you don't miss out on any of the content I'll be sharing. See you in my next video. Bye.